taong 2022 ng 2023. At tayo ay tinaguri ang Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year 2023. At noong 2024 ay na-awardan ulit tayo at tayo ulit ang Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year 2024. So ito kung kailan nagsimula ang ating mga food court. Noong 2006, ang Noodle House ay nag-open to several locations nationwide. Noong 2008 naman, ang Siomai King was developed and launched. Noong 2015, nagkaroon din ng Potato King offered to the consumers. 2016 ay nagkaroon na ng 800 branches nationwide. At noong 2020 ay doon nagsimula ang online and community franchise and brand na sulit tak ng Siomai King. Noong 2023 ay nagkaroon tayo ng commissary received by ISO certification. Noong 2023 ay nagkaroon tayo ng award by Asian Leaders Award as Hall of Famer 2023 at Franchise Company of the Year 2020, 2021, and 2022. Noong 2023,